Hey, what up, Greer TV? We are back. Sheila and I just got back from Las Vegas a couple days ago. And for those of you who follow Couch Time Chronicles on Facebook, you already know this, but I got a new apron. For those of you who are just subscribers to Greer TV, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for being here. Thank you for staying with me. I got my new apron that Sheila bought me. Go green, you know, because I'm always about the green, you know. But today is October 13th, and it is Tuesday. A lot of people want to do Taco Tuesday on Tuesday, and I'm going to show you how you can do Taco Tuesday at home and make it just a little bit more, you know, just make it different. You know, tacos are tacos, but you can switch it up a little bit. And I'm going to show you just how to switch it up for about, you know, maybe $21, something like that. What I'm doing today, we're going to do taco casserole. All right, and I'm going to show you the ingredients and show you that this recipe is very cheap. It's very easy. It's about $20 and some change, but check it out. A pound of ground beef, right? Ground beef is very reasonable right now, you guys. It's very reasonable. You can get a pound of ground beef for about $5 and some change. So there's some Fritos. Bag of Fritos is $4 right now for the biggest bag. I mean, not necessarily the biggest bag, but the bag that you'll need is about $4. And just know, it doesn't have to be Fritos. There are alternatives, okay? You can go to Aldi's or something like that. It doesn't necessarily have to be Fritos, right? Because you ain't entertaining nobody, you entertaining you, right? So, tomato. Tomato is instrumental in this. I got this tomato here, about $2. Green onion. Green onion is, you know, you don't have to have green onion. I like green onion. And the recipe also calls for an onion. The recipe calls for an onion as well. But the onion is not something that you absolutely have to have. It's just necessary for me, all right? So with all three vegetables right there together, I think that's about $6. So we're at about $14, $15 right now. And that's just your core ingredients. Everything after that, sour cream. I got the $3 thing of sour cream, the 16 ounce sour cream. You can do it with you can do it with less, you can do it with the size down. You really can, but if you live in this house, you know sour cream doesn't last very long. So I got the 16 ounce sour cream, all right? Okay, refried beans. Refried beans is definitely in the recipe. I happen to get the Taco Bell brand. This is like $2, but you can get a can of refried beans, bottom shelf refried beans for about $1, $1.25, $1.50, something like that. And taco seasoning. Taco seasoning, what's that, like $1.25, $1.50, something like that, maybe even less, like depending on where you go. And so now we're like right at the $21 mark. We're right there at about the $21 mark. And so I got a can of queso blanco. That's a white cheese dip. I got a can of this because, you know, just to dip into, I'm sorry, like I can't really have a Taco Tuesday or anything like that without cheese dip. You can get this here, it's by Rico's, and it's just about $3. Now, when I said this recipe is flexible and you can do different things as far as like the Fritos. You don't have to use Fritos. I happen to buy some Doritos, and so the casserole will be split down to half, down the middle, with Fritos and Doritos. Reason being is because I thought that the Fritos were gonna be good. I know it's gonna be good, but they also said you can use Doritos. And so I wanted to do Doritos. Sheila wants Fritos, so I'm just gonna split it down the middle. And I know a lot of y'all are watching this video right now going, really? Really? Like, y'all really gonna split it down the middle? Y'all can't come together on a decision on Fritos and Doritos? The sad truth is no, we cannot. So I'm gonna do half Fritos and half Doritos, and it's gonna be delicious. Y'all gonna see, all right? So stay tuned. This recipe is very fast. So stay tuned, check it out. Okay, so I just finished my taco casserole. I hope it's good. It looks good. I don't know, like it's a really weird recipe. I'm not used to doing a taco casserole, so I hope it's really good. It looks good, and you guys, if you try it out, let me know what you think, all right? Greer TV, see you guys soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment below. If you have some recipes you want me to try, I'll be glad to do that. So let me know. Greer TV, see you guys soon.